Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a quick way to recolor an image inside Affinity. First thing you want to do is select the picture you want to change. Once it's selected, look on the right side of your screen in the Layers panel. At the bottom you should see Adjustment. Go ahead and click on it right over here, Adjustments, and then choose Recolor from the list. We just need to find it where it is. Curves, recolor. As soon as you add it, Affinity will automatically apply a color filter to your image. Now you can start tweaking it however you like. Up at the top you will find the hue slider right here, changing the color profile basically. Then this is where you control the main color. Below that you can adjust saturation. This is how powerful it is. The color on your picture to make the color more vivid or more muted, as you can see. So this one is more black and white. We can go here at the hue more to the blue, and we have basically black and white photo. There's also lightness. So you can make the image brighter or darker. So if we go with that kind, we will with that thing we will put out more the black tones. Black shadows are more, as you can see, noticeable. So you can even experiment with blend modes to get different creative results. They are right here: normal, dark, and multiple burn, color burn line. This is basically like in Lightroom. It's really, it's almost the same. So for example, we can switch to the overlay and see how it changed the look. Once you are happy with everything, just hit merge at the top, and the effect will be applied directly to your image. And that's it. You have successfully recolored your picture in Affinity. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, feel free to subscribe to the channel. It really supports me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.